Welcome back to Product Critique, where we give you honest and thorough reviews of the best products on the market. Today, we're going to talk about the EXPO Fine Tip Dry Erase Markers, the best dry erase markers thin that you can find for your classroom, office, or home. These markers are a game changer when it comes to precision, quality, and ease of use. The EXPO Fine Tip Dry Erase Markers come in a convenient 36-count set, offering a sleek, ergonomic design that ensures comfort even after hours of use. They are designed with a fine point, perfect for creating detailed drawings, diagrams, or small, neat text on your whiteboard. Whether you're a teacher working on lesson plans, an office professional conducting a presentation, or simply organizing your thoughts at home, these markers provide the perfect writing tool. One of the standout features of these markers is their low odor. The specially formulated ink minimizes the strong chemical smell that often comes with dry erase markers, making them ideal for indoor environments like classrooms or small offices where ventilation may be limited. You'll appreciate the clean, almost scent-free writing experience that these markers provide, ensuring that no matter how long you use them, you won't be bothered by any lingering smells. Another great benefit of the EXPO Fine Tip Dry Erase Markers is their fast-drying ink. The quick drying formula prevents smudging, ensuring that your writing stays crisp and legible. This is especially important for people who are constantly writing on and erasing their whiteboards throughout the day. You won't have to worry about ghosting or stains, as the markers easily erase with a dry cloth or an eraser. The black ink is highly visible, even from a distance, which makes it perfect for large presentations or classes where everyone needs to see your notes clearly. The color of the ink remains bold and consistent, so you won't experience any fading over time, ensuring your writing always pops on the board. These markers are also designed to be durable and long-lasting. The 36-pack gives you plenty of markers to last for a long time, making them a great investment for busy classrooms, offices, or homes. Whether you're writing down notes, planning out a project, or simply doodling, these markers will continue to perform without letting you down. To top it off, the ergonomic design of the markers ensures that they are comfortable to hold, even during long writing sessions. They fit comfortably in your hand, reducing fatigue and allowing you to focus on the task at hand. In conclusion, the EXPO Fine Tip Dry Erase Markers offer everything you need in a dry erase marker: precision, comfort, visibility, and ease of use. The low odor, fast drying formula and smooth writing experience make them a top choice for anyone who needs a reliable tool for their whiteboard. If you're in the market for the best dry erase markers thin, you can't go wrong with this EXPO set. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews like this one.